Hey guys, welcome back
to our YouTube channel.
We had so much fun unboxing the fidget toys that we're gonna go to the store today to buy
More fidget toys.
So we're gonna give you $100 right here.
I know, so I can get any.
So you can buy $100 worth of fidget toys for yourself, okay?
Okay.
Sounds like a plan?
Is this college?
Sounds like a plan?
Yeah, but.
All right, let's go. I don't feel like we had one of those before. All right, Jamie, start choosing fidget toys. Put it in here. There's a line. Want this one? Okay. This? Sure. Okay. How much?
The tongue is supposed to get out.
The neck's in the way. The neck's in the way.
Alright, which other ones do you want? Look up here. Look up. I'm thinking.
Like a butterfly.
Butterfly, okay.
The star.
Okay.
Slowly, slowly.
You gonna buy the whole store or what?
Take your time, girl.
You're interested in them. Alright, any more?
Shaking it, shaking it, I actually did.
Alright, what else do you want? Come on.
What is this? That's for the clown.
How about that?
How about this? Hi.
I have another one. I have a dinosaur swimming in a volcano.
Is it about the same one? Okay. Oh, my handsome boy. Thank you.
There's a dolphin.
That's my papa.
Random things.
You want to check out the last wall?
What is that?
I don't know. What does it do?
I'm gonna get another
I
of
think
this.
Bella has that.
Oh, I think Bella has this.
I
Want to get this one?
want this one for Bella.
Okay. How about this one? I think Bella would like that.
I think that's the one that rolls up and down your arm.
Remember she had like a bigger one?
Get it, get it, get it.
We'll get it.
Get it, Jimmy.
One for me. Wait. Wait, I already have one.
Oh, from the unboxing? All right.
I don't think it's 100.
Huh?
I don't think she reached 100.
Do you think this is worth 100?
You think so?
Alright, let's bring it up. Do you guys think so?
We'll see.
I wasn't even scared.
What is
I
that?
just wanted to hold it. It's a spider. A spider. Look at you, we're gonna get you.
I'm gonna go pay for it now. How was it? How was your visit to the store?
Yeah.
Did you get a lot of stuff?
Yeah.
I think you went over budget though.
What budget?
I think you went over $100.
Oh, did I?
Yeah.
Oh, did I?
All right, mommy. How much did you spend?
Yeah.
$137.
Excuse me.
We went over the limit.
Hey, you went over budget, Missy.
You failed the challenge. You failed.
But you know what? I think we're gonna have to give away some of those toys because we went over budget, right?
Yep.
Yummy.
Huh?
Where are we?
We are at Bucks and Sadie's here in Roseville.
This is a 68 restaurant. Ooh, can I play with the 68? Can I play with this?
Sure. The recording's so long. Why do you do that way? Just do it this way.
68.
Family time! Woo!
Try the mac and cheese.
I didn't even taste it.
Try it. Tell me how it tastes. Use your fork.
I need to. I dip it in mac and cheese. Good.
How about you bite the mac and cheese now? Good.
Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome. We're back from the Learning Express. Where Jamie chose. How much did you spend?
I know.
Well, she went over the $100. Let's just say that. Total on the receipt was $137. Sorry we weren't able to get enough footage at the store. It was quite packed, and then there was only 3 shelves of fidget toys, and who knew that they were a hit because a lot of the kids went straight to those sections. So we apologize that we didn't get more content at the store, but yeah, we had fun. All right, so first things first here, Jamie, you can show them. So go like this and like that, okay?
Here is the pineapple rainbow.
So what is that, a pop fidgety?
Rainbow pineapple.
So rainbow pineapple fidget toy.
Wait, that rhymes.
Yes.
Na.
All right, next. So each one you have to go like
we
this.
need
Okay?
to open it.
Okay, so this one is a From Ring to Zing. And it looks like you can put it on your arms. That looks cool.
Now let's do the next one.
All right.
Wait, I know what's going to be the next one. This one.
Okay, show that one.
This one is like this. Which is I like it.
This one is a Jabberball Sankyo toys. Oh look, the tongue comes out.
I know, I've seen that on YouTube already. Here's this one. The butterfly, which is so pretty, and I love it. Superman.
Is that another fidget toy?
Yes, that's another fidget.
Okay, and then
This
this
is a keychain, which is, it's a poppy too.
So this is a keychain fidget toy, yeah?
Yeah, it is. Oh my
Okay, next one. And then here is a star pop socket.
And it's not the same.
Oh, pop it, not pop socket.
Not a pop socket.
Okay, here next. What is that, Jamie?
I think it's a squishy.
It says clear mochi animals. Clear mochi animals.
Let's do the next one.
Next,
Among Us.
an Among Us Pop-It. Right?
Yeah, you pop it like this.
Oh. Gotta show them what you're popping.
Look, pop it. Okay, and you pop it like this. And pop it like that.
Uh-huh.
And pop it like
Okay. Next.
It is a gummy bear.
Is that a gummy bear?
Yeah.
It's a gummy bear Mega Pop.
Yeah, those doesn't even have that.
Okay, this one.
What is this?
A unicorn Splatimal. What do you think these do, guys? I think you throw it on the wall and they get stuck to the wall, huh?
And then they got off.
And then they come off?
Yeah.
Cool, I can't wait to try that one.
I'm gonna try that one now.
Okay, here.
Here's our squishy monster. Rah, 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 rah. Which is, I love squeezing it like this. Oh.
Oh my god. Yeah, isn't he cute?
I think he's
Next one?
I think that little dude thinks you're saying it to him.
Alright, show that one.
This is a unicorn, which is
Let me see, it's a unicorn,
squishy.
a unicorn squishy keychain.
I didn't know they had that.
You chose it. Here you go.
Here is a wiggly family worm.
What does it do? It's a junior tangle.
Never heard of that.
Me either.
Let's just put it. Okay, here's a squishy. It is a pig, which is you squish it like this, and we can just pretend this is Peppa Pig, and look, watch this. Hi, my name is Peppa Pig, and this is my brother Tor, and this is Mommy Pig, and this is Daddy Pig.
All right, next one.
Here is the snakey. You move it around like it can turn into an S. Look, watch this. It can turn into a circle or a bracelet. And this is a worm with a happy face. See?
Oh.
It has a happy face and it's cute. Isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
And let's put a bit.
Okay, next one.
Here is this one with a squishy inside. I mean, there's a toy inside. Which is, let me go find it. Whoa, that was cool. And do you want to see? Here we go. It's squeeze up. And you can probably see the toy inside.
Okay, and lastly,
This one.
what is that?
What is it?
It says stretchy unicorn and cloud.
I think we have to,
That's cool. It
stick
comes
them
with two
together.
unicorns and then like a cloud. I think you put the unicorns in the cloud holes.
I know. I just knew that.
All right.
So
Well,
that's all.
looks like that's it. Yep, that's it.
That's it for today.
All right, so the limit was 100. And it looks like Jamie, it got cut off, but it's really 137.72. Don't know what happened there. All right, did you have fun at the store? This is the first time we went to a store like this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. It has a lot of learning toys there.
Yeah.
Highly recommend it.
We go to Learning Express.
All right, so go ahead and give this video a thumbs up.
Like ding 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 ding, or like that.
All right, so if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button, thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to
Put that notification bell.
and especially because our next video, we went shopping at the mall and I came across this at the Lolly and Pops. And I'm excited to go over this
I hope there's real
Hello
food in it.
Sanrio mystery snack box.
Wait, I wonder what's inside.
Whoa! Stay tuned for the next video, guys. All right, see ya.
See ya. If you don't like and subscribe, your ear is gonna pop out like this. Like
All right,
that.
bye.